Must think that that's their seed bag. Listen, right?
Just for the record, I did the majority of the tent building.
Been in some scary situations before. I'm going to try to communicate with her.
Perfect.
What you doing?
I'm setting up the tent. We're here, right? So I'm going to basically set up the tent quickly. Since it's getting dark, I want to get this up and, you know, like set before the dark comes in. We're going to get dinner and then we'll pretty much start the video tomorrow. So like, because I'm knackered.
Just for the record, I did the majority of the tent building.
Yep. What is up, guys? Morning. Last night, obviously, we had to get that tent up before the dark came in, because then it's no good putting a tent up in the dark. Today, we're actually going to go shark fishing. I'm going to make a separate video for the shark fishing. That's going to be possibly my next video after this. This one's kind of just like a sort of scenic video about Skye, a wee bit talking, but more B-roll and nice scenery and stuff like that. Drone shots. The only thing about Skye is all this single track road stuff. Okay, don't say thank you. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to do some scenic shots, and then when we get to the fishing spot, I'll record the fishing spot for this video, and then you'll see the fishing on the next video. Being on holiday, you're always changing your destinations of where you are, you know. 1 minute you're on the side of a really, really big mountain. The next minute, you're in a river. Guys, I know coming to the Isle of Skye, you would find some creatures and some wildlife, right? I've just discovered something. It's a ginger redhead in our natural habitat. Right. I've been in some scary situations before. I'm going to try to communicate with her. Hi there. Oh, she's coming. Ah, Caitlin, I'm stuck. You're not a wild animal. You're lovely.
I've got a warm tent.
Funny, eh? I'm free. Oh, I've just walked right into a river. Caitlin. I think we've hit the end of the track. Oh, that's nice. Can't get much further. That is really deep. I mean, we could wade it, but you know, I'm terrified of water.
Get the drone on it. Oh, please fall.
I've worked out, they must think, Caitlin, I've worked out, they must think that that's their seed bag. Listen, right?
Oh, that's so cute. Oh, the perisals are hungry.
I'm sad because we're going home today, so I'm trying to string it out as much as I can. We're going to sit and have breakfast at this lovely spot. I'm a grown man now, you know, I've got to eat off the most appropriate plate.